mathematics class. Now today this class is for class 9th and we are continuing with the chapter coordinate geometry. In this we have done a few questions in exercise 19.3 and that was graphical solution of linear equation of two variables. Now I have taken question number 10. They say solve the system of linear equations graphically, and the equations are 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence find the area of the triangle formed by these lines and y-axis. Also you have to find out area of triangle formed by lines or enclosed between lines and y-axis. So we will solve this. For this, first of all, you can see we know that we always convert the equation in the form where subject is y. So y goes to this side. It means y can be written as 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. Y goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive. So what is left? 2x minus 4 is left. So y is equal to 2x minus 4. Similarly, in this what we can say, y is equal to minus x and minus 1. In this equation, in the second equation, we can say y is equal to minus of x plus 1, or you can say it can be written as minus x minus 1. Now we will make the table of first equation and the second equation. So for the table, we will take different values of x, at least 3, 1, 2 and 3. This is x, this is y for the first equation, and first equation is y is equal to 2x minus 4. In first case, if I take x as 0, so 0 minus 4 is minus 4. If I take x as 1, so 2 minus 4 is minus 2. And if I take x as minus 1, so minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6. This will become 1 into minus 2 is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6. So these are the values of x and y for first equation. Similarly, the values are for the second equation. X, y, 1, 2, 3. Now in the second equation, if I take x as 0, so y will be minus 1. So I am taking x as 0, y comes out to be minus 1. If I take x as 1, y will be minus 1 and minus 1 means minus 2. It will become minus 2. If I take x as minus 1, so plus 1 and minus 1 will make 0. This was the second equation, and the second equation was y is equal to minus x minus 1. Now we will plot the points on the graph paper. So let us say that this is my graph sheet. That is x, o, x dash and y, o, y dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And similarly minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now in the first equation, when x is 0, y is minus 4. And I am marking these points as A, B and C, and these points as P, Q, R. So coordinates of A are 0 and minus 4. So 0 and minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my point A with 0, comma minus 4. Now B, 1, comma minus 2. 1, comma minus 2. Somewhere here is my B point, that is 1, comma minus 2. And C is minus 1, comma minus 6. Minus 1, comma minus 6. Somewhere here. C is minus 1 comma minus 6. Now we join these, so we get a straight line, something like this. I'm extending it to both the directions with dotted lines. Similarly, in the second case, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to -1. So this is my point P. P coordinates are 0, -1. Q is at 1. Y is equal to -2. Now you can see this point is also same, that is P 1, -2, and R is -1, 0. -1, 0 is my R point. So R is -1, 0. When we join these points, we get a straight line that can be extended in both the directions. Now we see that these lines intersect at this common point. Common point is P, or that can be considered as B also, and the coordinates are 1, -2. It means the value of x is 1 unit and the value of y is -2 unit. So this is the solution. If you want to check, you can just substitute the value of x as 1. So 2 ones are 2, -4. So when you want, or if you want, you can just calculate. Means how to calculate? Solve these equations with the help of either elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. So we will solve it to just check. 2x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to -1. Now these two cancelled. 3x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1. We are getting x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 in this equation. X plus y is equal to -1. X is 1 here. So y is equal to -1, that is -2. So -2. It means whatever we have done, our calculation is all correct. Now we move on. Okay, now one part is left. So they say find the area formed by these lines and y-axis. So this is the triangle that is being made. This is the base and this is the height. I mean to say this is small triangle. We have to find the area of triangle PBA. PBA. Now, what we need to do? The second part is find the area. So we can see which triangle is formed. So area of triangle formed by these lines. PBA, area of triangle PBA. We know that area of any triangle can be written as half into base into height. This is the main thing. We know that area of triangle is written as half into base into height. Now base will be PA. PA is the base. Coordinates of P is -1. Y-axis -1, then -2, -3, -4. So the distance of PA will be 1, 2, 3 units. 3 units. From P to A, this is -1 and this is -4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 units. So base, that is your base of the triangle. And what is the height? This perpendicular is the height. This perpendicular is the height, and this is, what is the value of x at this point? 1. So height is 1 unit. So area of base will be half into base into height. In this triangle, base is PA and height is OB, means this is your O and B is 0.1. So OB is your height. This is small, this perpendicular is your height. So that is given. We have calculated 1 and 3. So half into 3 into 1, that is 3 upon 2, that is 1.5 unit square is the area. So that is how we calculate the area of the triangle along with the lines. So this is your final value. Now maybe I will be taking one more question and then we move on to the next topic. Now next question I am taking is question number 13, that is the last question of the exercise. Now all the other questions are completely based on solving the linear equations graphically, but this was a little bit different. Why? I'll read out the question. Find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed by lines y is equal to 0. This is a line given, y is equal to 0, y is equal to x and 2x plus y. Now what is the meaning of line y is equal to 0? I'll come to it. Now first, we cannot draw any value or any table for this y is equal to 0, so I'm not doing. Y is equal to x. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to also 1. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So also I'm not making any table of this. Now this is 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. So that can be written as y is equal to 10 minus 2x upon 3. 3y is equal to 10 minus 2x and 3 comes to the division. Now in this we will take different values of x so that we will get different values of y. So if I take, now in this I am drawing a table. X and y. I want in the numerator a number which is multiple of 3. So if I want on the numerator, I want 6, it means I can take the value of x as 2. So 2 2s are 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, 6 upon 3 is 2. At x is equal to 2, y is also equal to 2. Now if I take x as minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 upon 3, that is 4. We got one more value. Now if I take x as 5, so 5 into 2 is 10, 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 upon 3 is 0. So I am taking x as 5 and y I am getting as 0. This is my solution for third equation, or this is the third equation, and for what was the equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now I will draw the graph. Now this is my y axis and this is my x axis. X O x dash, y O y dash. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Now this is my graph paper. First of all, they say that y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 means y is neither above nor below, and x can be anything. So y is equal to 0 is a line that is x-axis. But always remember that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So they say y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 means already the x-axis, this axis is y is equal to 0. Second, they say y is equal to x. Now we are plotting the points for the second one, that is y is equal to x. So when y is 0, x is 0. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 4 4 and so on. So we will take just 3 points, 1 2 3. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, something like this. X equal to minus 1, y is minus 1, x equal to 2, y is minus 2, something like this you will get a. So this is a line that is represented by x is equal to y or y is equal to x. This is the second line. In the third line they say x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. It means this is my point. I am writing point A, B, C. Point A is 2, 2. So I am writing point A, 2, comma 2. Point B is minus 4, comma minus 1, comma 4. Minus 1, comma 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere here it will be. This is my point B. That is minus 1, comma 4. Then point C is 5, comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma 0. It means this is my point C. That is 5, comma 0. When we join these points, we get a straight line something like this. This is the straight line, then this is the straight line, and the third line is this. It means you can see the points we are getting are O, A and C. So they say find the coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed. So the coordinates of triangle, which triangle it is forming? OAC. OAC. Point O is represented by 0, 0. Point A is represented by 2, 2, and point C is represented by 5, 0. This is one part of the solution. Find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle formed. So which triangle is being formed? OAC. OAC is being formed. Vertices of the coordinates of O are 0, 0 because this is the origin point. AC line and y is equal to x line are intersecting each other at point A, and the coordinates are 2, 2, and the point B is line BC is intersecting the x-axis at point C, that is 5, 0. So these are the coordinates. Then they say also find the area of the triangle. So now we will be finding the area of triangle OAC. We know that area of any triangle is half into base into height. So half into base is OC. OC and height will be this, from this perpendicular height. Means let us say this is point D. So we can say AD. Now OC is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value on x-axis is 5 units. So this length OC becomes 5. Half into OC is 5 and AD. Now value of y at point A is 2 units. So AD comes out to be 5. So 2 and 2, AD comes out to be 2, 2 and 2 cancelled. So 5 units square is the value or is the area of the triangle that is formed by the lines y is equal to 0, y is equal to x, and 2x plus y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. And the coordinates of the vertices are 0, 0, 2, 2 and 5, 0. So with this we come to an end of this exercise. Now the next exercise is based on some calculation part, and that is the distance formula. So let's see, if we have time then we can continue. So today we will end up with this only. In the next class we will start with the distance formula, but I hope that this question you must have understood. If not, I'll again revise it for you. They say find the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by y is equal to 0, y is equal to x, and 2x plus y, 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. Also find the area of the triangle formed. So first equation was y is equal to 0. We did not draw anything, or we didn't find any, we didn't use any table. Why? Because nothing can be done in this. Y is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0 is the general equation of x-axis. So first line is given to us as x-axis. This is the x-axis basically given. So it means we have to consider the whole x-axis where the other these two lines intersect. Then y is equal to x. If you take x as 0, you will get y as 0. If you take x as 1, you will get y as 1. X equal to 2, y is equal to 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and so on. So this is what I have shown. So I have drawn the graph directly. x0, x0, so y0, x1, y1, x2, y is also 2, x will be 3, y also 3, x minus 1, y minus 1, x2 minus 2, y also minus 2. In fact, we didn't needed it, but we drew it because this was very easy, right? If you don't want it, you cannot, means no need to draw even, or if you want, you can just show it by a dash like this. Now, third point was third line was 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. So for this we used to draw the table. So, and we calculated, we got A, B and C 3 points. Now these points have been mentioned. We got the triangle OAC. Points are O was 0, 0, A was 2, 2 and C was 5, 0. Now we can see that these are the vertices. A, O, C are the vertices and we got the points. Now the second part they said also find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle we all know that it is half into base into height. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Now base was, this was the base OC and OC is how much? 5 units. And height is, this is the height A and I have marked a point D, AD, and AD means vertical height. Vertical height means y-axis. So y, the value of y over here was 2. So we considered y as 2. So 2 as y, base as 5, 2 to cancel, 5 units square. So we come to an end with today's class. Now in the next class we will be discussing the next topic, that is distance formula. This is now there will be no plotting of on graph paper. This is totally based on the calculation part and you have to memorize the formula. So we meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay blessed, keep on studying hard, and in case you have any doubt, you can send me your questions on my number. Thank you all of you.